Blockchain technology is transforming supply chains by ensuring complete product transparency from farm to factory. Each step in the process is securely recorded, making product histories verifiable and tamper-proof. This transparency guarantees authenticity and prevents counterfeiting. Consumers gain confidence in the origin and quality of the products they purchase. Overall, blockchain builds unprecedented trust between producers and consumers. Chapter 1. Modern supply chains are highly interconnected, involving numerous participants from farm to factory. Despite this complexity, consumers often lack visibility into the true origins of products. This opacity creates a significant trust challenge between producers and buyers. Modern supply chains are vast networks connecting farmers, processors, transporters, distributors, and retailers across continents. Traditional tracking methods rely on paper logs, spreadsheets, and siloed databases that fail to communicate effectively. This fragmentation creates significant inefficiencies and blind spots. As a result, contamination responses are slow, fraud becomes more prevalent, and safety risks increase. Ultimately, these challenges erode consumer confidence in the products they purchase. Annually, $15 billion is lost to food fraud, with counterfeit and mislabeled products infiltrating premium markets such as specialty coffee, extra virgin olive oil, and certified organic produce. Consumers are often misled about product origin, production methods, and quality standards. Foodborne illness outbreaks caused by fraudulent or contaminated products result in millions of cases each year, posing severe public health risks. The economic consequences extend beyond direct monetary losses. Entire industry reputations are damaged, and consumer trust erodes. Overall, food fraud has widespread financial, health, and reputational impacts globally. A broken chain of trust. Traditional supply chain documentation creates information silos, making it nearly impossible to trace products quickly during crises or verify authenticity claims. Chapter 2. Blockchain is a technology that provides distributed, immutable record keeping. It ensures complete transparency across supply chains. This capability addresses long-standing challenges in tracking and verifying products. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger shared across multiple computers, removing single points of failure and central control. Its distributed architecture ensures no single entity can manipulate the system. Once information is recorded and verified, it becomes permanently embedded, making alteration or deletion nearly impossible. This immutability provides a secure and trustworthy record of all transactions. Authorized stakeholders have access to identical, real-time data, fostering universal transparency. Overall, blockchain creates unprecedented visibility, accountability, and reliability across the entire supply chain. Blockchain validates authenticity by requiring every transaction to be verified by multiple network participants, ensuring consensus and accuracy. This network verification prevents unauthorized or fraudulent entries. Blocks are linked using advanced cryptographic hashes, forming an unbreakable historical chain of events. This cryptographic linking secures the integrity of the data. Automated verification reduces dependence on intermediaries and manual oversight. As a result, error potential is dramatically minimized, enhancing trust and reliability across the system. Chapter 3. Blockchain in action. Real-world transformations. Leading companies worldwide are already leveraging blockchain to create more transparent, efficient, and trustworthy supply chains. In 2018, a romaine lettuce E. coli outbreak exposed the slow and risky nature of traditional traceback methods, which took 7 days to identify the contamination source. Walmart implemented a blockchain system that reduced this traceback time to just 2.2 seconds, enabling immediate and precise responses. The system has been scaled to include over 200 suppliers across produce, meat, and poultry categories. This large-scale adoption has transformed food safety management industry-wide. Faster recalls and enhanced safety protocols have been achieved, significantly improving consumer protection. Overall, Walmart's blockchain initiative demonstrates how technology can restore trust, increase efficiency, and revolutionize supply chain integrity. Pharmanaut's blockchain traceability system empowers consumers by enabling QR code scanning to access a product's entire journey from seed to shelf, ensuring transparency. This technology builds unprecedented trust between producers and buyers. By 2025, over 20% of global agribusinesses are expected to adopt comprehensive blockchain solutions, signaling a major industry transformation. The system prevents fraud and ensures quality assurance throughout the supply chain. It also provides transparent certification verification, enhancing accountability. Overall, Farmanaut's blockchain solution improves efficiency, reliability, and trust across the agricultural sector. Consumers can now trace the entire life cycle of their products with a simple scan. This provides detailed information on the product's origin and processing. Transportation and handling details are also accessible. Additionally, quality certifications are available, ensuring full transparency and trust. Chapter 4: Beyond Food, Authenticity in Luxury and Manufacturing. Blockchain's authenticity guarantees extend far beyond agriculture, protecting high-value goods across diverse industries. Authena uses advanced blockchain systems to protect luxury goods such as designer apparel, premium wines, and collectibles from counterfeiting and unauthorized reproduction. The system combines tamper-proof physical tags with sophisticated digital verification and NFT technology for multi-layer authentication. This ensures comprehensive protection of intellectual property. Prestigious clients, including Adidas and luxury wine producers, rely on Authena's blockchain solutions. By verifying provenance, the system safeguards brand integrity. Overall, Authena enhances consumer trust and maintains the authenticity of high-value products. Blockchain-powered smart contracts automate payments to farmers and suppliers based on predefined conditions and quality standards. This reduces reliance on intermediaries and increases operational efficiency. Financial inclusion is promoted across global supply networks. Payment processing time has been cut by up to 75%. At the same time, these contracts ensure 100% accuracy in supplier compensation, revolutionizing financial flows. Chapter 5: Blockchain traceability creates value for producers, retailers, and consumers by providing transparent, reliable information across the supply chain. It enhances trust, reduces fraud, and ensures product authenticity. Operational efficiency is improved through streamlined verification and record keeping. Overall, blockchain's transformative potential promises a more accountable and resilient supply chain future. Blockchain traceability provides stakeholders with instant, tamper-proof tracking from production to consumer delivery. This allows for immediate identification of quality issues and rapid responses. In cases of contamination, targeted recalls can be executed quickly, minimizing health risks. Economic losses across supply networks are also significantly reduced. Transparent, verifiable product histories enhance consumer trust and confidence. Automated compliance ensures adherence to evolving global regulations, including EUDR requirements and organic certification standards. Overall, blockchain strengthens accountability, safety, and reliability across the entire supply chain. Comprehensive training programs and user-friendly platforms are being developed to onboard all supply chain participants, from small farmers to major retailers. These initiatives ensure that stakeholders can effectively use blockchain technology. Governments worldwide are establishing supportive legal and regulatory frameworks that promote blockchain adoption while safeguarding data security. This evolving legislation provides clarity and confidence for businesses. Technological advancements and economies of scale are making blockchain implementation increasingly affordable. As a result, organizations of all sizes can access scalable, cost-effective solutions to enhance supply chain transparency and efficiency. Blockchain technology enables full visibility and verification of every product's journey. This interconnected system ensures that information is accurate and trustworthy. It transforms perceptions of authenticity across supply chains. Overall, blockchain fosters greater accountability and transparency for all stakeholders. Blockchain is fundamentally transforming the way authenticity is guaranteed across the entire farm-to-factory supply chain. It provides businesses and consumers with unprecedented transparency, ensuring product safety and boosting confidence. The technology empowers all stakeholders to verify and trust the origin and handling of products. By creating immutable records, blockchain reduces fraud and enhances accountability. It is poised to become the essential backbone of trustworthy supply chains worldwide. This innovation protects not only products but also people and the planet. Embracing blockchain can lead to a more transparent, reliable, and sustainable future for global commerce. Please like, subscribe, and join me in the next video.